Hi again and welcome to the CSCALP TV YouTube channel. Here you can become a professional trader. In this video we will summarize the advantages of CSCALP trading terminal and stress out the main features. Subscribe for Discord server and Telegram channel with signals and we go on. The link in the description. Why should we use CSCALP trading terminal instead of the web version of futures trading section on your exchange? Frankly speaking, if you trade mid-term and long-term and you prefer investing, that's okay. But we are talking about scalping, the trading of extra profitability. In scalping, the faster you get the information, the more successful your trades will be. First advantage. CSCALP is high accuracy soft that provide you with relevant and quickest inputs. Of course, if your internet connection is stable enough. The chart displays the price mobility in a faster manner than on the web terminal. Order book and the tape show you what is happening on the market right here and right now. The speed of your decision-making process will optimize your profit, and CSCALP will give you the most relevant inputs right from the exchange. Second, the high speed of output, namely the speed of your orders execution. As you know, trading breakouts, it's important to open and close your trade in time and very fast. Immediate execution of your market and limit orders will provide you with advantage that other traders do not have. Third, analytical elements. In the CSCALP we have three active spaces: order book, tape, and clusters. We can see the past, present, and future activity of the market on the chosen instrument. The docking function allows you to set up your working space as you wish, making your trading comfortable and easy. Next advantage: huge range of exchanges to work with. CSCALP terminal can be connected to your account of many exchanges from the list. It's comfortable to choose the exchange you prefer and trade through CSCALP the liquidity of this exchange. The list of these exchanges is still expanding. And finally, CSCALP have a great team of support and free educational materials in many resources. Free streams and signals, educational videos, and 24-hour support service. Being subscribed for all the resources, you stay tuned and keep improving your trading. Stay with CSCALP and thank you for your attention. See you soon.